Hey guys, welcome to Ashton's workshop. Today, we're going to be drawing a Cooper's hawk. Hope you follow along with me. Need some paper and something to color with. Or, if you have an Apple Pencil, you can use an Apple iPad as well. So, let's do this. The first step, we're going to draw its head. And we're only going to do the body this time. Since I can't draw like the whole body, you know. But anyways, we're off with the head. Now we're going to be drawing its body. I'm going to draw his back now. I'm going to erase off this part here for this beak. Now let's make the cap of his head. Now let's draw his wing. In his wing, we're going to do like W-shaped sides like this. And here's another one. Now let's draw his beak. Just like eagles and other birds of prey, these guys are the same family like as them. Cooper's hawks are native to North America. Now let's draw his eye. And his pupil here. Now let's make his chest. Okay, here's our Cooper's hawk. Now, let's color it and make the feather details along with the time lapse. Okay guys, so what'd you think of our Cooper's Hawk? I hope this was a lot of fun to color, and I hope you really enjoyed it. So, thank you so much for watching this final episode of Season 2, and we'll see you guys in the winter special. See ya!